In this video, we're going to talk about Redcat. Now, they have had a nice move higher in recent months on strong volume, price taking out pivot highs to the left, and in the process forming a monthly buy level at $2. So price action does not go up in a straight line. It pulses. Impulse move, pullback. Impulse move, pullback, etc. That's how trending markets occur. So if you wanted to get long Redcat, that pullback is what you want. Now, before we continue with the analysis, and before I show you the exact level where I think price is going to get to, where it would be an excellent entry to get long, let's look at the recent news and why price is pulling back. It's because when they announced earnings, they missed Q2 revenue expectations, and they also had a wider loss than Wall Street was expecting. So Redcat, a drone technology company, reported second quarter fiscal 2025 results that fell short of analyst expectations, sending the shares down 13%. Now, Redcat attributed the revenue decline to a strategic decision to halt production of the Teal 2 drone and focus on Black Widow model, which recently won the U.S. Army Short Range Reconnaissance Program of record contract. Here's what the CEO had to say. Jeff Thompson. We halted production of the Teal 2 to retool for the Black Widow, prioritizing long-term growth over short-term revenue. This strategy has proven successful, enabling us to meet the demands of the new Army contract and all other Black Widow sales and programs of record. Now, despite the weak quarter, Redcat provided optimistic guidance of 80 to 120 million in revenue for calendar year 2025. Redcat also announced a new partnership with Palantir Technologies to integrate visual navigation software into the Black Widow drones, which is expected will draw up revenue per drone and increase gross margins. Will boost revenue. Okay. So this is the weekly chart. We're going to scroll down to the daily chart. Now, two levels of interest. The first level got hit. That was a daily buy level at $8, $7. And the fact that price has penetrated the zone pretty much 100% kind of makes this zone null and void. So the next level of interest is going to be further down. Near $5. You have this basic candle rally, basic candles rally. Any gap, consider that an extended range green candle, and a strong candle either in or out of the zone. So that's daily buys at $5. And so what you want to do is put an alert. Look for a reversal on a smaller time frame. However, the charts are suggesting the best level to get long is going to be further down at this daily buy level at $5. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.